Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 7 trades. Today's date is January the 30th and I'm using my easy scalper trading system. This system uses 2 scalping indicators. First one is obviously the easy scalper. That's this moving average that changes colors along, and the other one is the super signal indicator. You'll get an audio sound and a pop-up box like you see here suggesting either to buy or sell. At that point you can go look and see if you have a trade set up. Now every morning at 6 o'clock, as that's the time I like to get up and get in front of the charts, get ready to trade the overlapping of the London session and get into the New York session. That's this blue box. So I'm looking at all the different instruments here and taking a look at my daily trade plan. Once I make a decision after looking at the charts and the daily trade plan, I will manually put in this white arrow if I want to be buying or selling. And just to let you know, wife and I just got back from a short vacation. We went to Montreal for approximately 5 days. Combination of work for my wife, and it was for me it was a vacation from YouTube and doing videos, but I was still trading from the hotel room. That's why I got into trading almost 20 years ago. I love the idea that I can travel anywhere in the world. All I need is my laptop and internet. And you only need a few hours every day, and you can make money while you are on vacation. Please keep in mind that there's 4 things that you need to succeed at trading. You'll need a lot of chart time, a lot of demo trading, a lot of education. I can provide you with a lot of education. And don't forget, you're going to need some kind of a daily trade plan. You must think like you're learning to become a doctor or lawyer. You should be buying more education every 2 or 3 months if you want to succeed at trading. Now when you buy from me, I do give support, and without support you have only a 5% chance of succeeding. After you buy from me, I'll tell you more very important secrets to successfully trading the markets in a free Skype call. Now if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Now let's get into this daily trade plan, the one that I use every day. It's running in real time. It's drilling down the lights from the monthly all the way down to the 30 minutes. So gone are the days where I have to look at a higher time frame than the 15 minutes. So 5 or 15 minutes are 2 time frames that I look at every day. Once it does the calculations, it says right here whether you should be looking for bullish or bearish trades, or some of them at this point in time right now, it's either not enough strength or waiting for clear direction. If you're trading without some kind of a daily trade plan, well, that is one very good reason why you are struggling. If you have any questions, all you got to do is Skype me. And there's a link right below this video. All you got to do is click on it and we will have Skype connection. Okay, let's run a check on these trades that I did today. First one, Euro CAD. Wanted to be buying it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Now when I pulled the trigger in real time, it did qualify for a great way to trade. I knew with about 95% certainty and that I had a winner, and I thought maybe it would have made it up to the ADR, but that's okay. I closed out the trade at this point and I'm glad I did. Just being happy, looks like with 18 pips, and that paid out $141. Moving on to the next trade, which is the Euro New Zealand. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Wanted to be buying it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. In real time, when I pulled the trigger at this cursor, it did qualify for a great way to trade. I might even call this video a great way to trade. Went little up, did a bit of a pullback, and then it continued up like I knew it was going to do. And at that point, I figured time to close out the trade, locking in 30 pips. And those pips paid out $183. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the pound dollar. Now the pound dollar pays $10 for each pip. And looking at the money, well, easy to see that this should be 24 pips. Wanted to be selling it, so let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Sold it here. There's your sell signal. Did qualify for a great way to trade. Remember, you're going to get a lot of arrows, but I teach you which arrows you should be taking. All that information is within the training videos. Little down, did a pullback and went down again. Like I mentioned, should be 24, and there it is right there, 24. Pips paying out $240. Okay, moving on to the next trade I did, the Euro Aussie. Wanted to be buying it. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Arrow from the daily trade plan, scalper, super signal arrows. Easy decision to make. Pull the trigger here, and I close it out here, just being happy. Looks like with 37 pips, and those pips paid out $243. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the Euro Yen. Wanted to be buying it. Let's see where I got in first of all. So we'll drag and drop this up. Looks like another one that qualified for a great way to trade. Arrows, super signals, the scalper, everything saying it's going to go up. Did exactly the same thing. The market moves the same way every day. Once you learn how to trade the flow of the market, which is, by the way, that's what I teach in the training videos, up and down cycles. Once you learn that, you're going to be a very happy trader. So I close it at this point. Looks like locking in 43 pips, and those pips paid out $290. Okay, moving right along to the next trade, which is NASDAQ. Now on this NASDAQ, pays $20 for each tick. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. I took the money divided by 20, and calculator says it's approximately 44 ticks. So the scalper was red, super signal, red, daily trade plan said to short it. Well, when I pulled the trigger, it did qualify for a great way to trade. I knew it was going to go down, and down it went. Locking in, as I mentioned, should be 44, and there it is. And those 44 ticks paid out $884. Okay, let's move on to the last trade, which is the Russell. Now the Russell pays $10 for each tick. So looking at the money, easy to see this should be 139. So let's see now. Wanted to be selling it. There's from the daily trade plan, super signal, and the scalper's red. Did qualify for a great way to trade. Everything looking good for going down. And so down it went. And at this point, like I said, it should be 139, I said. There it is right there. You remove the last digit. 139 ticks paying out $1,390. So another great day of trading after my short vacation. And I knew it was going to be well over 200 pips and ticks, which is my daily goal when I am trading. So I added up all the pips and ticks. Grand total came to 335, and all of those pips and ticks paid out $3,373. So if your system's not producing like my Easy Scalper, well, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. So if you have any questions or if you want to buy anything at all, no problems. Easy to do. All you have to do is look right below this video and you'll see in the description, down at the bottom, you'll see a banner, the word more. Just click on it, opens up another box, and you'll get my contact information with a lot of other information. Now you can pick up the phone and call me if you so desire. Not a problem, I do answer the phone. Or you can send me an email. Now I really do prefer Skype. I made a link there. All you got to do is click on it, even if you think you don't have Skype. Well, if you have a cell phone or a computer, you click on that link, we'll have Skype connection, and at that point I'll be able to answer your questions. Also in the description you'll see 4 different packages. I recommend you getting as much education as possible because you're going to need a lot of education. I do have a special offer. If you buy 2 packages, I'll give you 1 for free. One of the packages is the FibMaster tool, and you will be able to apply this on many charts. All you're going to do is just click on the tab right here, and you're going to go from swing high to swing low. Very simple, easy to do. There's your pullback. If it hits entry 1, 2, or 3, as a general rule, it's not 100% of the time, but very high percentage, it'll hit either 2, 3, 4, or 5. And on some days, it'll keep going and going and going all the way down to number 10. This is a great tool that you should have, as it really will help you to find entries and targets. And the main reason why it works is that millions and millions of traders all over the world use Fibonacci. If you have any other questions about this tool, just get in contact with me. So it looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.